Is, what is the role of accounting when other timelier sources of information are available? Well, yes, other sources of information are available, but they will never take the place of accounting. Some of these sources include public announcements made by the business, newspaper and magazine articles, websites, and radio and television reports. These sources can provide information on various aspects of the business, such as new products being offered, management changes, the impact of new technology, and so on. But these sources are not substitutes for accounting reports. There are many characteristics of accounting reports that are necessary ingredients to make information useful and are qualities to be sought out when investors need to know how businesses are doing. The information contained in accounting reports help users make decisions relating to the business. The information should reduce uncertainty about the financial position and performance of the business. It helps to answer questions concerning the availability of funds to pay owners' return, to repay loans, and to reward employees. It also helps with verifiability. So after reading all the public announcements and newspaper articles, it's nice to have financial statements to fall back on to verify your findings. Also, information cannot be useful to decision makers who cannot understand it. So understandability of information is a very important factor that we need to take into consideration. Reading accounting reports may be more direct and easier for some users to understand rather than public announcements made by business. Accounting is an important function in any business. It's not just important for tax returns. It helps with controlling assets, planning in respects to cash, and determining the results of operations and in a particular period. The end results will always be needed to make a final solid decision and projections for the future. While these other sources are not substitutes, they can be used in conjunction with accounting reports in order to obtain a clear picture of the financial health of the business.